How is the Iran war saddling global companies with $25 billion? 2026. How is the Iran war saddling global companies with a $25 billion bill? The rising costs are hitting businesses worldwide, and this financial burden is far from over. You need to know who's paying and why it matters now. The ongoing conflict involving Iran has directly saddled global companies with a massive $25 billion cost so far. This figure comes from recent reports highlighting how businesses are absorbing expenses due to disrupted supply chains, damaged assets, and increased security concerns. The bill is not static. Companies warn the financial impact will continue to grow as the conflict persists. Sectors such as energy, shipping, and manufacturing are among those hit hardest, with companies forced to adjust operations or pay higher insurance premiums. This number underscores how geopolitical tensions ripple into global markets, affecting not just governments but private enterprises worldwide. Several multinational companies are bearing the brunt of these costs. Energy giants report increased expenses due to heightened risks in Middle Eastern oil fields and shipping routes. Manufacturing firms dealing with supply chain interruptions must pay more for rerouted logistics and delayed materials. Insurance companies also raise premiums on vessels and cargo passing through conflict zones, adding to the bill. The cascading effects hit smaller suppliers and service providers connected to these giants, amplifying the overall economic damage. This widespread impact emphasizes the Iran war's reach beyond the battlefield, affecting global business operations and profitability. The escalating costs are fueled by ongoing geopolitical instability in the region. As fighting continues, trade routes near Iran become more dangerous, forcing companies to take longer, costlier paths. Security measures increase, and companies must invest heavily in protecting assets and personnel. Insurance companies respond by hiking premiums, reflecting the growing risk. Additionally, sanctions and counter-sanctions complicate transactions, causing delays and legal expenses. This perfect storm of factors explains why the $25 billion is not a one-time hit, but an evolving financial challenge for global businesses. Looking forward, companies need to reassess their exposure to risks associated with the Iran war. Some are diversifying supply chains to avoid conflict zones, while others invest more in security or insurance. Governments may intervene to stabilize markets or negotiate ceasefires, but uncertainty remains high. Firms that fail to adapt risk deeper financial damage, while agile businesses may find ways to mitigate losses. The ongoing nature of this conflict means that no company can ignore the ripple effects. Strategic planning and risk management will be crucial in the months ahead. The $25 billion cost burden from the Iran war is not just a corporate problem. These increased expenses often trickle down to consumers through higher prices on goods and services. Job markets might feel strain as companies tighten budgets or delay investments. The broader economy could see volatility, especially in sectors linked to energy and manufacturing. Staying informed helps you understand how geopolitical events impact your wallet and job security. Subscribe to stay updated on this evolving story and what it means for your financial future. The Iran war's financial toll on global companies is already $25 billion and rising. This burden affects everything from energy costs to product prices, impacting your daily life. Businesses worldwide are scrambling to manage risks, but the instability means this story is far from over. Stay informed and prepared by subscribing to Daily Q&A, where we break down the latest global developments that affect you.